by the brands that they support. And increasingly, it's also moving into the jobs that they decide to take. As this generation gets older, and kind of the older end of Gen Z, they're picking jobs where the mission of the company is aligned with their personal mission. And so I think for brands, both technology brands as well as consumer brands, they really need to think about what they stand for, and everything that they do, from their packaging to their messaging to their spokespeople to the ingredients that they use, all need to be aligned. And in this age where information is so easily available, Gen Z will suss you out. Be it in YouTube reviews or Instagram stories, like they will find out, and they are fervent about this. So I think as a new brand, if you are a new brand, you have to think very carefully about it. If you're an old brand, and I come from the world of like Clorox and Procter and Gamble, you need to think about how you can become relevant to this new generation. And sometimes that might mean abandoning the brands that you've invested tens of 15 years building, and you may need flanking brands that suddenly use a different approach. So I really do think it has to be very organic.